Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with some exciting unboxings of some new tools and things that I found over at Fansells. I'm just going to jump in because I'm excited to share all of this with you. So, the very first thing we're going to look at is this pen. It's a pen set. And you can see it comes with all those colorful tips. It comes with some wax, and all the tips are the kind that you screw in. It has a light, you turn it on. It has a straightener, which honestly for this kind of pin I probably wouldn't use. I would put in you get a single placer angled, a 3, a 6, and a 9 placer. So you just attach it like that, and then when you go to diamond paint, you've got this lovely little LED light that you can light up to help you see. They had several different colors, but I like the blue, and it comes with some blue wax plus all the tips, and it was $9.24 for the whole set, which isn't bad considering you get the wax, the tips, and the pin, and this cute little box. So there's that. And then I was on kind of a tool kick, I guess. So I was trying to find fun things that I hadn't tried before. I'm always looking for cover minders. I was never a big cover minder person until I tried a couple of them. I use release papers, so I hadn't really ever needed cover minders before, but then I did a couple of canvases where I actually left the cover paper on and didn't use my release papers. So on the rare occasions that I do that, I like to have a cover minder available. If I can get the tape off so that I can get into this so I can show it to you guys. Look at this cute little guy. There's just it looks like a little chess pawn. Purple, they had all different kinds of colors. It's got a little magnet in the bottom and then another magnet for it. So you can use it as a cover minder. For those of you who have magnetic light pads, you could use it for that as well. So yeah, just always useful. And this was $1.46. And if you do other crafts besides diamond paint, that would be useful as well. Okay, I'm gonna save those two for last. This big one here, as you can see, is a ruler, which may seem like a bit of an odd thing to get, but if you watch my Frame It Easy video, you know that my mom's sewing tape, because it's flexible, is not always the greatest for measuring. So I wanted to get something that was a ruler, and this one is 50 centimeters. So that should be long enough to do most of my diamond paintings and get an accurate measurement. So, and this was $2.65. So now I've got something that I can use to measure most of my kits with. Then this is something, and I still don't know how I'm going to do it exactly, but what I think I'm going to do, and the reason that I got these is that, well, let me show you what they are first, and then I'll explain what I plan to do with them. So this is a book, and I will admit I thought it was going to be bigger. It is A5, and I will also admit that I'm not good with measurements like that, A4, A5, A3, whatever it is, because those are not things that we use here in America. Do they use those in Canada? If they do, let me know in the comments down below. That's something I need to worry about learning. So it's just a booklet, these plastic things, and it's got the little tab here with your little rings that you can open. I think you can open them. There we go. Okay. And then, so you get this book, and then you get this, which this book is, the portfolio is $4.57. And then you get these inserts and some stickers, which were $2.28. And they had variations. You could get some without the stickers. You could get them that came with extra things. I don't remember what now. And I'll put links to all of this down below, so don't worry about that. But basically, you have these little 4-pocket sheets here. And, oh, they slip in from the sides. Interesting. Okay. That's actually good. So that keeps stuff from falling out the top or the bottom like you would expect with most photo pages. So how many do you get? 8, 9, 10. So you get 10 pages, and then you get the stickers. And what I thought I would use them for was my ABs. because I have gotten to the point, I normally store, and what I have right now is I have my ABs stored with my drills. So my square ABs are stored with my square spare drills. My round ABs are stored with my round spare drills. However, as someone pointed out, the colors aren't exactly the same. Sometimes the AB coating changes the color enough that, you know, maybe a yellow moves to a really pale, an orange moves to a yellow, a red moves to a pink, and so substituting the actual exact DMC doesn't always give you the effect that you want. And so somebody had commented at some point that they kept theirs out where they could see them because that made it easier to kind of pick. And I do that with my Diamond Dots ABs, mostly because I don't know what DMC they are. And so I have done that with them. And I do that with my crystal drills, my leftover crystal drills, because it's easier to kind of judge those by color, because for whatever reason I found with those, rarely does the DMC that I think it is match exactly when I want to use it. So I do those more by eyeball than anything else. And someone said, you know, that's kind of how they do their ABs as well. And I thought, you know, that would be maybe a win for me in that I could take my ABs out of my spare drill storage, which would give me a little bit more room, because both my square and round drills, the spare drills I have, are crowded. And it would let me put them in something like this where I could see at a glance, you know, what each color was. Now, I don't think these 10 pages are going to be enough. That's only 40 colors, and I think I have more AB drills than that, but I might not. So what I want to do is use the stickers that came with it, because it has, well, it's got some just rectangular stickers. I won't use those, but it does come with all of the DMC codes. And so I thought, well, I'll go ahead and I'll label them. I may not even need to do that because my bags are already labeled, but either way, put them in here. I may have to switch them out of bags, so we'll see what I decide to do. I don't know if my 2.5 inch bags will fit in here. We'll have to see. Oh, well, let me use my ruler and measure. How big are these? See, my bags are 2.5 inch, so that doesn't work because that's all centimeters. So let me grab Mom's measuring tape. So, oh, it's right at 2.5. So maybe they will fit in there, and then I don't have to switch my bags around, so I wouldn't have to relabel them, but I could if I wanted to. And put my ABs in here so that they will be out where I can see them. I don't know how that's going to work for me yet. I don't know if that's for sure what I'm going to do, but that's the plan. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see how I like it. And if I do, then as I add more ABs, I can always add more inserts and or grab more of these portfolios, because once you get some of the drills in here, this might get kind of thick. So, but with the snap on there, it'll keep them pretty sturdy, I think. And someplace I'm able to kind of quickly visually flip through them and to see what I get. There's my haul from Fansells, my little tools haul. So I've got the portfolio and the inserts, the ruler, the cool pin with the bag still attached, and then my little purple cover minder. As always, I will stick links for everything down below so you can check these all out, as well as anything else that might catch your eye while you're there. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.